Let me speak very briefly in English. I am very happy to invite you with great pleasure to a day-long All India convention of the All India Law Department, Human Rights Department and RTI Department, which is all together known as one Law, Human Rights and RTI Department, of which I have the privilege of being the chairman. A similar convention was organized and held by me way back some 2011, 12, 15 years ago, 14 years ago. We are having a very big inaugural function starting 9:30, 9:45, for which I invite all of you to be in place in Vigyan Bhavan. The Congress President will address. The former Congress President, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, will address. The General Secretary Organization, Mr. Venugopal, will speak. I will be presiding. The Treasurer, Mr. Makan, will give a vote of thanks. It is followed by one session before lunch and two sessions after lunch. It culminates with a valedictory session where Priyanka ji will be present. The sessions are broadly structured on having a sitting Chief Minister, former Cabinet Ministers, PCC Presidents, eminent congressmen, youngsters, speaking on diverse topics ranging from federalism, ranging from Baba Sahib's philosophy, his thinking, his spirit of what he said, the contributions of the Congress to the Constitution, and so on and so forth. So it promises to be an exciting, invigorating day with exchanges, hopefully having Q&A at the end of each session. We are expecting a very handsome crowd. We have not only the main hall but two adjacent halls with TV screens. So hopefully above 1,200 to 1,500 people will be there. But they're all lawyers, activists, human rights and transparency activists, and they are contributors to the Congress cause in a major way. So we look forward to welcoming you all that day in large numbers.